5 shocking fishing moments caught on camera. Sewer fishing. Now this guy figured he didn't need to go far from home to do some fishing, and he was right. In this video, he actually reels in a bass out of a storm sewer in his backyard.
Just bring it over here, Nolan.
Now, whether you'd want to eat a fish caught in a dirty storm drain, that's your call. Getting muddy. So this fish isn't caught in water, but technically it's still fishing. Maybe the strangest form of fishing you'll ever see. Now, it's no surprise that South Africa is hot. So hot that rain is not enough to keep water beds from drying up entirely. This phenomenon would be deadly to any other aquatic life, but not the lungfish. The lungfish does not only have gills, but a modified swim bladder that acts as a lung as well. It can actually breathe air when there's no water. However, even though the lungfish can breathe, it's still threatened by exposure to the sun and predators. So, the lungfish digs a hole in the mud, makes itself a little cocoon from mucus that actually oozes from its skin, and then hibernates until water returns with the rain. It can actually stay in hibernation with no water for up to 4 years. Anyway, back to the video. Now these guys look like they are professionals at catching lungfish. They know exactly how to find them and dig them out. So if you want to fish in Africa, sometimes all you need is a stick and a shovel. Fishing bird. Now this next video shows that the sport of fishing isn't always just for people. This bird has a very peculiar way of luring its prey.
Oh, look what he's doing. He takes a little piece of bread, puts it in, and I believe he's allowing the fish to come around that bread, and he's got them. What a clever bird. Yes, yes. There he goes, and he takes the bread. Oh, what a clever bird. There he puts it in, and he waits. Turns it around, and he just waits. He's moving to different areas. There he's got the fish. What a shrewdy. And he moves the bread around. There he's got another fish. Shrewd. I've never seen anything like this.
So while the other birds are happy to eat crumbs, this very smart little bird dines on a meal of fresh fish. Carp attack. These fishers were pretty disappointed when they hadn't caught many fish at the end of the day. It was their first boat experience on the Illinois River, and overall a pretty disappointing fishing trip. But then suddenly their bad luck turned around, when on the way back at the end of the day, carps in the river literally began to jump into their boat.
Oh my god, look at that! Oh shit! These are like huge! Huh? Right. Meghan হাত লাও তো ওই ধরছে একটা সুপার আরে আরেকটা আরেকটা আপনি ধরে রাখেন কাছে ওই ভাই দাঁড়ান un secca ya cruce Oh, look at the eye. Oh shit! Oh my god! What's happening? Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh shit! Oh, you know the huge? Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! Yeah, 보내겠어요. Oh my god! পুরাটাই ভিডিও করছি পুরাটাই ভিডিও করছি
ভিডিও মিয়া নেট দেন
নেট নাই তো
তাড়াতাড়ি করে
Oh my god. Oh, what an experience.
Ice fishing fail. In this video from Russia, an ice fisher's catch doesn't go exactly as planned. The fish chose the perfect moment to make its escape back into the water. And instead of the fisherman catching a nice fish, the fish caught itself a shiny new fishing pole.